to our kitchen.
Siblings cooking together.
I'm telling you.
I'm Edgar.
So we have here some shredded chicken. I cooked these 2 big breasts of chicken earlier. I have some mashed potatoes. I always like to put potatoes inside the taquitos. We have some crushed tomatoes here, cilantro, onions, some bell pepper. This is gonna go all with when I saute the chicken with the potato. This is more like for a salsa that we're making. And we're gonna have an avocado guacamole.
We're gonna make guacamole with the avocado using the lemon, the onions, and cilantro.
Yes.
And of course, we're gonna probably add a little bit of jalapeno.
Yep.
Just to make it a little bit more spicy.
Yep. And we have some seasonings here too. Some garlic powder and pepper. So we'll show you how everything's gonna come together.
Fantastic.
Okay.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, let's go. We are going to shred the chicken now for this delicious chicken taquitos and potato. I have 3 potatoes here that I boiled earlier, so they are cold. So I'm gonna peel them right now because we are going to use them for the chicken taquitos. We're going to smash these potatoes so we can mix them up with the chicken. Okay, I'm dicing or chopping, some cilantro as well for flavor. Okay, so we're adding some oil. This pan is already hot. I had it warming up. Maybe a little bit more because it's a lot of chicken. And we're going to saute bell peppers. This is just to give it a little flavor for the chicken. And these are onions and cilantro. And we're going to add the chicken and the potatoes. This is 2 big breasts of chicken. We're going to add some tomato sauce, or not sauce. These are supposed to be crushed tomatoes, but this brand, it looks like a sauce. So we're giving some color to our chicken. And we're also adding the potatoes. These were 3 yellow potatoes. So I smashed the potatoes for this. We're gonna add a little bit of pepper. And some garlic sauce. Now we're gonna make this all together. We're gonna mix it up before we start rolling taquitos.
We're gonna roll the taquitos.
Yep, rock and roll, brother. So the tortillas are warm. I mean, they were really hot, but right now.
Yeah, they were kind of steaming. I was like, I'm gonna save my fingers.
This is what the chicken looks like after it's been cooked with the tomato, onions, bell pepper, and the potato. The potato kind of helps stick the chicken so it doesn't come out.
So and then all you do is just roll it like that, and then you just put your toothpick right through it. And
let me see.
But yeah.
Okay, we're going to test the oil and see if it's hot. Let me put a little piece of chicken. Yeah, it seems like it's hot now. Oh yeah. Okay. So we are going to start frying our taquitos. We're going to be boiling 3 tomatoes, 2 jalapeños, and some onions. We're gonna make a little salsa for our tacos. And we're gonna add some garlic salt with this. Okay, we're gonna blend our tomatoes. This is gonna be our salsa for our tacos. I use 3 tomatoes, 2 jalapeños, and some onions. And we're going to add a little bit of garlic salt for flavor and some salt. Okay. We're gonna make our guacamole for the taquitos. This in particular is going to be just...
It's just going to be avocado with a little bit of garlic salt, pepper, and that's about it. And for sure, yeah, we got to put a little bit of lemon on it, and that's it. No onions, no nothing, just pure avocado.
Okay. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of juice here and some garlic salt. It's only one big avocado. And some salt for flavoring.
And then, wow,
Nice and crunchy.
beautiful. Oh yeah. Cannot ever have enough of these. So, thank you for staying with us. So, we'll see you in our next video.
Yes, thank you for watching.
Take care.
Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.